Welcome to this demonstration video sponsored by the California Department of Education. This video tutorial will demonstrate how to create groups in the California Educator Reporting System, or CERS, for both the California Assessment of Student Performance and Progress, or CAASPP, and the English Language Proficiency Assessments for California, or ELPAC. This video is intended for local educational agency, or LEA, CAASPP, and LEA ELPAC coordinators, as well as LEA and school administrators. LEA and school administrators can manage, create, and delete groups of students to allow educators to easily view student assessment results for student groups and for individual students. For example, a student group could contain all of the students in a teacher's classroom or a particular period of instruction. Please consider the confidentiality of student information when assigning groups of students to users. LEAs can work through their Student Information System, or SIS, vendors to set up automatic student group transfers directly from the SIS to CERS. If your LEA has not set up this automatic transfer, you will need to manually set up groups using the following method. The Test Operations Management System, or TOMS, Roles and Permissions System can be used in conjunction with student groups to allow teachers access to student test results. For example, LEA CAASPP coordinators or LEA ELPAC coordinators may view results for all students in the LEA. Site coordinators may view results for all students in the school site, and teachers may have permission to view reports for students in any student groups assigned to them. Teachers may then create customized groups based on their assigned students. Let's start by using the upload feature that allows coordinators to create groups for educators to see results. To manage groups in CERS, select Student Groups from the homepage. To create a new group, select the Upload Groups button. Next, select the CSV File Format button. The CSV File Format page provides instructions on making a CSV file that you can upload to make groups. Select the Template button to download a blank CSV file with the correct column headers already provided. In the template document, enter the desired information for the groups you'd like to create. This includes a custom group name that you can create, the school natural ID, which is the school's county district school or CDS code, the school year, represented by the 4 digits of the second year of the administration, such as 2021 to represent the 2020-2021 school year, the subject code, which could be math, ELA, science, Spanish, ELPAC, or all, the student's statewide student identifier, or SSID, and the group user logins, which is the email address of the users who will have permission to access results of one or more groups of students. Make sure that you have the group name, the school ID, and the school year filled in for each of the rows for that group. Also note that the spreadsheet may change the school CDS code into a scientific notation. If so, you must highlight the cells and change the format to a number with no decimal places. You can add multiple groups to one file by adding more rows with a different group name. Groups for a school must be listed together and must not be separated by lists of groups for other schools. SSID and teacher email columns, columns E and F, will both attach to information in group name, CDS code, and school year. Columns E and F are also independent of each other, so one can be populated or both. SSIDs are used to place students in a group. Teacher email addresses are used to grant access to that group. While there is no practical limit to the rows you can make in the spreadsheet, note that no more than 200 students may be assigned to a single student group. Once you have filled in the information in the template, save the file to your device. Navigate back to the Upload New or Revised Groups screen in CERS and either drag the saved files into the box or browse for and select the file manually. If the column displays bad data, there was a problem with the uploaded CSV file. Select the file name to see more information. If the group upload was successful, The Upload Status column will display Accepted. Now the users you assigned will be able to view students' results by the groups you have created. Educators who have been assigned a group can sort the assigned students into even smaller custom groups. To create a custom group as an educator, select the My Groups tab next to the Assigned Groups tab on the home page and select the Create button. Now, educators can browse the assigned students by school or group name, by searching for a student name or SSID, or by using more advanced filters. Select individual students to add them to the custom group, or select Add All Students to add all students currently displayed. Enter a group name and select the Save button to save the group. Now the student results can be viewed in these custom groups. Thank you for watching this demonstration video on creating groups in CERS. If you are an LEA CAASPP or LEA ELPAC coordinator and you have questions, please contact the California Technical Assistance Center Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. at 1-800-955-2954. You can also email them at caltech@ets.org. We hope you have found this video to be helpful. For more information, please visit caaspp.org and elpac.org.